In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language settings in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your projects and tasks, and customizing it to suit your preferences can make it even more effective. One of the ways you can personalize Trello is by setting it to your preferred language and time zone. Whether you're working in a multilingual environment or just want to use Trello in the language you're most comfortable with, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click on Login. Now, you'll be prompted to either enter your email address and password or choose one of the single sign-on options, like signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. Once you've entered your login details or selected your preferred sign-in method, click the Login button to access your Trello account. After you're logged in and on your Trello dashboard, locate the Workspace selector. You can find this near the top of the sidebar or in the header area. Once you've spotted it, click on the name of your workspace. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, look for and select Settings. This will take you to your Settings page. On the top left corner, under the Personal Settings section, you'll see another Settings option. Click on it to continue. Now, within the Account Settings view, find the Change Language option. It should be easy to spot. When you see it, go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the Language and Time Zone Preferences page. Here, you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and choose the one that you'd like to use. While you're here, take a moment to select your time zone as well. This ensures that Trello matches your location and displays times correctly for your tasks and activities. Once you've made your selections, you don't need to worry about saving them manually. Trello saves these changes automatically. Just wait a moment for the page to refresh. After the page reloads, return to your Trello tab and check if the interface has updated to your chosen language. In most cases, the changes will appear right away. But if the language doesn't update immediately, you can manually refresh the page to make sure the new settings take effect. Finally, if you use the Trello mobile app, open it and confirm that the language and time zone settings have synced across your devices. This way, your preferences will be consistent no matter where you're using Trello. And that's it. You've successfully changed your language settings in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.